Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. Today we will continue with exercise 1.3 of chapter 1 with question number 2. We will learn to form greatest and smallest number that can be formed with the given digits by repeating the digits. Before proceeding to question, let's have some important points regarding the formation of numbers by the given digits by repeating them. We have to form greatest number. To form greatest number, we have 3 steps. Step 1, arrange and write the given digits in descending order. Same as the previous one, you have to arrange the digits in the descending order. Step 2 is repeat the greatest digit at the remaining places on the extreme left. In example, we will see what the step 2 is saying. Now step 3 is same, put commas to separate periods. There are 2 periods or 3 periods according to the number of digits. For example, let's consider some digits 1, 9, 3, 6. And you have to form the greatest number. The same as the previous. Step 1 is arrange and write the given digits in descending order. For descending order, we have to write the greatest digit first. So 9, then 6, then 3, and then 1. They are arranged in the descending order. Now what is the step 2 is saying? Repeat the greatest digit at the remaining places on the extreme left. You have to form the 5-digit number from these 4 digits. So which number you have to repeat? You have to repeat the greatest digit. You have to repeat the greatest digit to form the greatest number. So from these 4 digits you have to form the 5-digit number. Then which digit you have to repeat? You have to repeat the greatest digit. The greatest digit is 9. And where you have to put the 9? In the extreme left. Now this is formed the 5-digit number. If you have to form the 6-digit number, then again which digit you have to repeat? You have to repeat the greatest digit. Then 9 is the greatest digit. You have to repeat at the extreme left. Now the step 3 is put commas to separate periods. Similarly, we have the periods. We have ones period with ones, tens, and 100. Then we have thousands period, 1000 and 10,000. Then we have lakhs period. So there are 3 periods in 6 digits. This is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is lakhs period. Now to form smallest number. Again, we have 3 steps to form smallest number. Step 1 is arrange and write the given digits in ascending order. You have to write the digits in the ascending order. Step 2 is repeat the smallest digit. You have to repeat the smallest digit at the remaining places on the left. जो लेफ्ट में बाकी बचे प्लेसेस हैं उनमें आपको स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट को रिपीट करना है. ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाने के लिए ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट को रिपीट करते हैं, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाने के लिए स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट को रिपीट करते हैं. नाउ स्टेप 3 इज द सेम, पुट कॉमास टू सेपरेट पीरियड्स. अगेन यू हैव 4 डिजिट्स and you have to form the 5-digit number, 5-digit smallest number. According to our step 1, arrange the given digits in the ascending order. For ascending order, you have to put the smallest number first, then followed by 3, then followed by 6, and then followed by 9. Now these are the 4 digits, but you need to form 5-digit number. Which digit you have to repeat? You have to repeat the smallest digit. Which one is the smallest digit here? 1. So you have to repeat the 1. These are the 4 digits. If you have formed the 5-digit number, then you have to repeat 1. On the left. On the left. आपको लेफ्ट में ही स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट को रिपीट करना है. अब ये हमारा 5 डिजिट नंबर बन गया. अगर हमें 6 डिजिट बनाना है तो एक और बार हम लेफ्ट में स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट 1 को ही रिपीट करेंगे. नाउ स्टेप 3, पुट कॉमास अकॉर्डिंग टू सेपरेट पीरियड्स. नाउ how many periods we have for the 6 digit number? We have 3 periods: ones, tens, 100. This is our ones period. Then we have thousands, 10,000. This is our thousands period, and this is our lakhs period. You have to put comma here and here. Now let's start exercise 1.3. Question number 2. Write the greatest and the smallest 6-digit number using the given digits. You may repeat the digits, each digit at least once. What is the question saying? Question is saying write the greatest and the smallest 6-digit number. How many digit number you have to form? 6-digit number. You have to form greatest number and you have to form smallest number from the given digits. You may repeat. आप digits को repeat कर सकते हैं, लेकिन use each digit at least once. आपको हर एक digit को कम से कम एक बार यूज़ करना है. आप रिपीट कर सकते हो डिजिट्स को और हर डिजिट को कम से कम एक बार यूज़ करना है. और आपको 6 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है, ग्रेटेस्ट बनाना है और स्मॉलेस्ट भी बनाना है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर ए इज हैविंग 3 डिजिट्स 3, 7, 1 and you have to form the smallest number. How many digit smallest number you have to form? 6 digit smallest number you have to form, but you have only 3 digits and the digits are 3, 7 and 1, right? And you have to form the smallest number. Now step 1 is to form smallest number. Arrange the digits in ascending order. An ascending order 1, 3 and 7. These are only 3 digits and you have to form the 6-digit number. Which number you have to repeat? You have to repeat the smallest digit because you have to form the smallest number. So you will repeat the smallest digit. Which one is the smallest digit here? 1. You have to repeat 1. How many times you have to repeat once? And where you have to repeat once? You have to repeat 1 on the extreme left. So these are the 3 digits. You need 1, 1 and 1. Are they 6 digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, they are 6 digits. अगर हम ये तीनों डिजिट्स को नहीं लगाते हैं तो देखो हमारे पास ये 3 डिजिट्स थे, 1 था, 3 था और 7 था. हमने इन तीनों डिजिट्स को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लगाया, फिर सबसे छोटे वाले नंबर को रिपीट किया हमने लेफ्ट में ताकि हम स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बना सकें. सो दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फॉर्म बाय दीज 3 डिजिट्स 3, 7, 1 by repeating the smallest digit on the left. So these 3 digits we have repeated. Now we have to put commas according to periods. So this is ones, tens, 100, ones period is complete. Then 1000, 10,000, 1000 period is complete. And then we have lakhs period. So the number is 1, comma 1, 1, comma 1, 3, 7. Is that fine? Now you have to form the greatest number. For greatest number, we have 3 steps. First step is saying arrange the digits in descending order. For greatest number, you have to arrange the digits in the descending order. In descending order, we have 7, 3, and then 1. And you have to repeat which digit? For forming the greatest number, you have to repeat the greatest digit, which is 7. Now repeat the greatest digit. How many times do you have to repeat the greatest digit? You have to form the 6-digit number, and 3 digits are here. You have to need 3 more digits, and 3 more digits are 7, 7, and 7. Are you getting this? You was having only 3 digits and you have to form 6-digit number. You may repeat the digit. Which digit you have to repeat? If you have to form the greatest number, you have to repeat the greatest digit on the extreme left, like this. Now you have to put commas. In step 3, you have to put commas to separate periods. This is our ones, tens, 100. Then we have 1000, 10,000. Then we have lakh. Now you can write the number 7, 7, 7, 7, 3, 1. Now we will go for the question number B. The given digits are 5, 0, 6. What are the digits we are having? 5, 0, and 6. These 3 digits we are having, and you have to form 6-digit number, smallest number. 6-digit smallest number you have to form. Then we have 3 steps. Step 1 is to arrange the given digits in the ascending order. In which order? Ascending order. So in ascending order, 0, 5, 6. Right? 0, 5, 6. But a number cannot be started with 0. क्या नंबर को कभी आपने 0 से स्टार्ट होते हुए देखा है? नहीं. तो हम क्या करते हैं, अगर हमारे डिजिट्स में नंबर फॉर्म करने में 0 आता है तो हम इसके पास वाले स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से इसको एक्सचेंज कर लेते हैं. कल हमने सीखा था, तो हम इसको एक्सचेंज कर लेंगे. नाउ दिस इज आवर स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit number formed by 506. But you have to form the 6-digit number and smallest number. So you have to repeat the digit. Which digit you have to repeat? 5 or 0? Which one is the smallest digit here? The smallest digit is 0. So you have to repeat 0. How many more zeros you need? You need 2 more zeros or 3 more zeros. 1, 2, and 1 more 0, 3 zeros. And you have to put zeros on the left. You can't 0, 0, and 0. Now, is this a 6-digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is a 6-digit number. And you have repeated the 0, the smallest digit. For the smallest number, you have to repeat the smallest digit. For the greatest number, you have to repeat the greatest digit on the left. So, the digits are 5, 0, 6. And you have repeated the smallest digit 0. How many times? 3 times. 0, 0, 0. Now step 3 is put comma to separate periods. ones, tens, hundred. Then we have thousand, 10,000, and then lakh. So the number is 5, comma 0, 0, comma 0, 0, 6. Is that clear? Now you have to form the greatest 6-digit number from these 3 digits. For forming greatest number, you have to arrange them in the descending order. 6, 5, 0. To form greatest number, you have to repeat the greatest digit. Which is the greatest digit here? The greatest digit is 6. Let's repeat it. How many times? 3 times. 6. On the left, you have to repeat it. 6, and you have to need one more 6. And one more 6 here. Now the number is 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to repeat the 6. The greatest number in the given numbers, in the given digits. So now you have to put the comma. 0, 5, 6. This is our ones period. Then we have thousands period, 1000, 10,000, and then we have lakh. Now write the number 6, comma 6, 6, comma 6, 5, 0. Now the question number C is 0, 8, 4. So the given digits are 0, 8, and 4. Now you have to form smallest number, 6-digit smallest number from the given digits. For forming smallest number from the 3 digits, you have 3 steps. Arrange the digits in which order? Ascending order. Now arrange the digits in ascending order: 0, 4, and 8. Now if we have 0, then we exchange it with the next smallest number, that is 4. Now the digits are 4, 0, 8. Now we have step 2. Step 2 is repeat the smallest digit at the remaining places on the left. So 3 places are left, and you have to repeat the smallest digit. The smallest digit is 0. Now shift 4, and you have to repeat the 0. 0, 0, and one more 0. Now step 3 is put commas to separate periods. Ones period have 3 digits, thousands period have 2 digits, and then lakhs period. So our smallest 6-digit number is 4, comma 0, 0, comma 0, 0, 8. Now you have to form the greatest 6-digit number from these 3 digits. Arrange them in the descending order: 8, 4, and 0. Now which number you have to repeat? You have to repeat the greatest number. These are the 3 digits. You need more 3 digits here. So let's repeat: 8, 8, and you need one more 8. So this is our greatest 6-digit number. Now put commas to separate periods: ones, tens, 100. Ones period is separated. Then we have 1000, 10,000. 1000 period is separated, then we have lakhs period. So our digits to form 6-digit number is 8, 8, 8, 8, 4, 0. So let's recap. If you have to form a greatest number, then we have 3 steps. Arrange the digits in descending order. Repeat the greatest digit to form greatest number in the extreme left, and then put the commas. To form the smallest number, we have 3 steps. First step is ascending order. Then repeat the smallest digit on the left, extreme left. Then step 3 is put commas. Thank you and have a nice day.